Bivariate regression is a procedure for deriving a mathematical relationship in the form of an equation between a metric-dependent variable and a single metric-independent variable. The analysis is similar in many ways to determining the simple correlation between two variables. Well, because an equation has to be derived, one variable must be identified as dependent and the other as independent variable. The example given earlier in the context of simple correlation can be translated into regression context. Some questions such as can variation in sales be explained in terms of variation in advertising expenditure? What is the structure and form of this relationship, and can it be modeled mathematically by an equation described? Can the variation in market share be accounted for the size of the sales force? Are consumers' perceptions of quality determined by their perception of price? In the following, I will mention about some statistics associated with bivariate regression analysis. So firstly, this is bivariate regression model. The basic regression equations is like in the picture, where y is dependent variable, x is independent variable, delta is intercept of line, beta 1 is the slope, and E is there. Next is coefficients of determinations. The strength of association is measured by the coefficients of determinations R squared. It varies from 0 to 1 and signify the portion of the total variation in Y that is accounted for by the variation in X. A scattergram is a plot of the values of two variables for all the cases of observations. It is useful for determining the form of the relationship between the variable. A plot can be alert the researcher to patterns in data or to